J. Robert Oppenheimer, born on April 22, 1904, was an American theoretical physicist and one of the key figures in the development of the atomic bomb. His contributions to science and his role in the Manhattan Project during World War II made him a prominent figure in the field of nuclear physics. Oppenheimer's early years were marked by academic brilliance. He studied at Harvard University, where he excelled in his physics studies and earned his PhD in theoretical physics at the age of 23. His research focused on quantum mechanics and astrophysics, earning him recognition and respect from his peers. However, it was his involvement in the Manhattan Project that defined Oppenheimer's legacy. As the scientific director of the Los Alamos Laboratory in New Mexico, he played a crucial role in the development of the atomic bomb. Oppenheimer assembled a team of brilliant scientists and oversaw various aspects of the project, including the design and testing of the bomb. The successful test of the first atomic bomb, codenamed Trinity, on July 16, 1945, was a turning point in history. The immense power and destructive capabilities of the bomb had profound consequences. Oppenheimer, witnessing the destructive force he helped create, famously quoted a line from Hindu scripture, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." After the war, Oppenheimer became an advocate for international control of atomic energy, and spoke out against the further development of nuclear weapons. His stance, along with alleged ties to communist organizations, brought him under scrutiny during the era of McCarthyism. In 1954, Oppenheimer's security clearance was revoked, and he faced professional and personal challenges as a result. Despite these setbacks, Oppenheimer continued his scientific pursuits and made significant contributions to theoretical physics. He taught at the University of California, Berkeley, and Princeton University, where he mentored and inspired a new generation of physicists. J. Robert Oppenheimer's impact on science, particularly in the realm of nuclear physics, cannot be overstated. His work, although controversial at times, remains a significant part of human history and serves as a reminder of the power and responsibility scientists bear in their pursuit of knowledge and innovation. Biography of J. Robert Oppenheimer. J. Robert Oppenheimer, born on April 22, 1904, in New York City, was a prominent American physicist and one of the key figures in the development of the atomic bomb during the Manhattan Project. Oppenheimer's early education took place in prestigious institutions, including the Ethical Culture School and the Harvard University, where he obtained his bachelor's degree in chemistry in 1925. He further pursued his passion for physics at the University of Cambridge, England, before receiving his PhD in 1927 from the University of Göttingen, Germany. Upon returning to the United States, Oppenheimer began working as a professor at the University of California, Berkeley, where he gained recognition for his pioneering research on quantum mechanics and theoretical physics. His brilliance and innovative thinking gained him a reputation as one of the most promising young physicists of his time. In 1942, with the outbreak of World War II, Oppenheimer was appointed the director of the Los Alamos Laboratory in New Mexico. It was there that he assembled a team of brilliant scientists to develop the atomic bomb, which eventually led to the successful creation of the world's first nuclear weapon. Despite his instrumental role in the development of the atomic bomb, Oppenheimer became increasingly concerned about the destructive power of nuclear weapons. After witnessing the devastating impact of the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945, his views on nuclear warfare shifted dramatically. He became an ardent advocate for international cooperation and arms control. However, during the post-war period, Oppenheimer's loyalty and political affiliations were called into question. He faced scrutiny and security clearance hearings by the U.S. Atomic Energy Commission, which resulted in the revocation of his security clearance in 1954 due to alleged communist sympathies. This decision had a profound impact on Oppenheimer's career and personal life. Although Oppenheimer's government service came to an abrupt end, he remained an influential figure in the scientific community. He returned to teaching physics at the University of California, Princeton University, and the Institute for Advanced Study. Oppenheimer's contributions to theoretical physics continued to shape the field, and he received numerous accolades for his significant contributions. J. Robert Oppenheimer's legacy is not solely defined by his involvement in the atomic bomb project but by his advocacy for international cooperation, his commitment to education, and his dedication to advancing scientific knowledge. He remains a complex and compelling figure in the history of science, forever associated with the awe-inspiring power and ethical dilemmas posed by nuclear weapons.